Welcome, in front of me I have Samsung Galaxy XCover Pro, and today I will show you how you can make the face unlock test and how it works basically. So how fast it unlocks phone and if it is reliable. So let's lock our device. Let's try to unlock by using our face. As you can see right now it goes well. It's not really fast, but it works every time, so that's good. So definitely it's not the fastest unlock that I have ever used on the smartphones, but it's reliable. And that's it. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe to our channel.